A very good morning to all the students of ninth class. Students, now you are in class 9th. We are going to learn the first unit of your English subject. Look at this page. It is called a style sheet. We know the style sheet provides the theme of the lesson that we are going to learn. If you look at the page, the theme of the lesson is given in a horizontal line. Can you guess what is the theme of this lesson? It is humor. It is humor. Look at the picture in this page. What are you observing? Here, two cats are playing chess. What do you think of when you look at this picture? What does it seem? Is it possible that the cats playing chess? It is not possible, but we don't think in that way. When we look at the cats are playing chess, it makes us fun. It is a humor. The theme that we are going to learn in this lesson is humor. Here there are three readings: reading A, reading B, reading C, alike since your 6th class. Reading A, the snake and the mirror. Reading B, the duck and the kangaroo poem. Reading C, Little Bobby. Come to the next page. You know, this page is called a face sheet or a trigger. Through this face sheet, we simply understand the content of the A reading or B reading or C reading. Again, the theme of that lesson is given here: humor. Look at the picture. What do you observe? When we look at this picture, we remembered a story when we learned during our childhood days. I think you remember that story, The Lion and the Hare. The lion and the hare. The hare brought the lion to the well and told him to look into the well as another lion was inside. The lion looked into the well and thought that there was another lion in the well. He got angry and jumped into the well to kill it. But the lion itself killed. Here we observe whether the lion had seen its reflection or had seen another lion. As per the story, the lion had seen another lion. He thought there was another lion in the well. Really, it is not possible for the animals to observe whether another animal or reflection. Such animals thought that it may be their reflection. Here, the lion saw into the well and thought that there was another lion. In the coming lesson, a snake looked at itself into the mirror and observe the questions in the given page. What did the lion do on looking at its own reflection? Enjoyed its beauty? Felt threatened? Felt angry? Can you guess which is the right answer? We know the lion felt angry. Option C is right. Come to the next question. Have you heard or read a story of a pet or an animal looking into a mirror? If yes, how did the animal feel? Of course, if you know such a story, you can narrate how the animal feels. In the coming lesson, we are going to read about a snake that looks into a mirror. This is the story described by a doctor of his own experience. Come to the next page. The snake and the mirror. The snake and the mirror. Observe the difficult words for pronunciation and observe the difficult words for meaning also. A reading, the snake and the mirror.